Lamphang ka yeng dorbar thawaan ka jala Thomas A. Sangma, Pyntikna ba MLA na Maliam constituency ba Ronnie do, day MLA ka National People's Party. Yakane, Lamphang keren hadien ba dep ban soy yaki kot kisla jong MLA ka Congress na Maliam ubalaray banesono siya ka NPP.
Education for Mr. Ronnie from his post of the opposition chief whip. Then today I have received his desire, seeking his induction to the National People's Party, merging with National People's Party, and I have found it. I found his application in order, and I have accepted, and I have also signed an order that he is henceforth considered as a member of National People's Party.
So officially he has joined from today or from yesterday in BP?
Today.
What about the
morning? I think he had also had a meeting with his supporters, which I'm not aware of, but he had come to me around 12:30 and I have accepted his letter seeking merger with NPP today at around 12:30 p.m.
He was a complaint.